soil brothers and soil sisters. Guys, I'm excited again. Why? Because it's time to do a harvest. This harvest is very, very new to me. Very first time I've grown it, but I'm excited. Now guys, I am finna harvest my golden melon. Wow. Yeah, if you have tried them, you know this is a good reason to be excited. This is one of the fruit that I have got out of the store that tastes excellent. Now, I know most of the fruit that we grow tastes better when we come out the yard. But if this can improve by me growing it, I don't know. I mean, because it tastes so good out the store. So it tasted so good that I felt like I needed to harvest the seeds and grow it myself. Now, hey, I don't know. It's just going to be amazing just to be able to pull this out of my yard and eat it. But if it tastes anything like what it did when I bought it out the store, it's going to be excellent. But if it tastes better than that, guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself, you know? So, let's go take a look at this melon that I'm raving about. So, guys, this is the melon that I'm raving about. I am so excited. I've been looking at this melon every day, waiting for it to get this yellow color, this canary yellow color. I checked it today, and it's dry. So from what I heard doing my research is that once that oily consistency gone from the skin, it should be ready. Now, like I say, this is my very first time growing this. I never even heard of it until last year. I think Lead Farmer made a video talking about how good this was. I had to try it. I saw it in a big box store. I bought it, and I was amazed by how good it was. So I know generally when you can grow this stuff in your yard, it tastes way better than you can get it in the store. But I can't imagine this thing tasting any better than what it was when I purchased it at the store. It was super sweet, juicy, I mean absolutely delicious. So I got quite a few of them over here, but this one is ready to go. So we gonna go ahead and cut this, take it in the house, and me and the wife gonna try it out. So guys, here we go. I'm nervous. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And see, I was a little concerned that maybe the bugs would have got to this thing before I had a chance to. But I'm so excited that nothing has got into it. And I'm ready. I'm dying to go ahead and try it. Alright guys, so this is some of the ones I have growing. Wow, that one I just pulled is big. This one is even bigger. Alright, so we do have probably around about six more. And I'm excited. I don't know if the vine is going to produce any more than that. But like I said, I actually I grew these not knowing anything about them. Now I also have some honeydew. Ooh, look at that. Something that got into that one. So this is what I was concerned about with my other melon. Is something actually getting in there and destroying it. So I have another one of them down here, and it's gone too. Jesus.
Are they getting too much water? Because it looked like they split too or something.
Something.
Something had a field day with that one. That's something empty on the inside.
Yeah, so that's the problem with, you know, being here where we live, is the bugs are horrific. And it's hard to keep any of your crop going because of the bugs and the damage that they cause. So I guess for now I could be excited that I actually got this one off without no major issues. And hopefully I get to eat some more of them. But those were two of the honeydew and not the golden. So I'm gonna try to keep an eye on everything and make sure everything is going good. So let's go try this melon. All right, fam. So it's that time. I'll be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit nervous. I don't know, am I cutting it at the right time? Is it gonna be optimal sweetness? Questions. There's only one way to find out.
That's all.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, guys. So, cut into it. Let's see what we got. So, this is what we got. Smell melony.
It does.
Now, is it sweet? Is the question. You want to try the first piece?
Just a little piece. But you can cut this. Don't cut the seeds up.
Not. I'll try it first. I'll let you know whether or not you should try it.
I'm gonna try it anyways.
Here we go, guys.
Pretty good.
Yes. Think it could have sweetened some more or no? No?
Maybe it need to be cold.
That is good.
Guess I'll leave that for the chicken. Don't be cutting your eyes at me, Trudy.
Alright, guys. Here's a win. Need to try to grow some of these.
I like this because it's firm and not mushy. You know, it's good. Good texture, good flavor. Good seeds.
Alright, guys. We appreciate y'all joining us for this harvest of this golden melon.
Did I eat too much of mine?
I heard you can eat the skin. So, like,
share,
and subscribe. Hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time we release another video. Till next time, guys.